Daily English Talks.
Ordering food at a restaurant.
Good evening, and welcome to our restaurant. How many people are in your party tonight?
Good evening. It's just me tonight. Do you have a table for one?
Yes, of course. Please follow me, and I'll show you to your table.
Thank you very much. This table looks perfect.
You're welcome. Here is the menu. Can I get you started with something to drink while you look at it?
Yes, please. Do you have any fresh juices today?
We have fresh orange juice, apple juice, and a mixed fruit juice.
I'd like a glass of fresh orange juice, please.
Certainly. I'll bring that for you right away.
Thank you. Could you also give me a few minutes to decide on my meal?
Of course. Take your time. I'll check back in a few minutes. Have you decided what you would like to order?
Yes, I think I will start with the tomato soup.
Excellent choice. And for your main course?
I'm thinking about the grilled chicken with vegetables. Could I have it without cheese, please?
Absolutely. We can prepare it without cheese. Would you like any side dishes with that?
Yes, a small side salad would be nice, please.
Noted. And what kind of dressing would you like for your salad?
I would like the balsamic vinaigrette, please.
Very well. Would you like any bread with your meal?
Yes, a small basket of bread would be lovely. Thank you.
Certainly. And would you like butter or olive oil with your bread?
Olive oil, please.
All right. And for dessert, would you like to see our dessert menu now or after your meal?
I'll look at the dessert menu after my meal, thank you.
Of course. Is there anything else I can get for you right now?
No, thank you. This is perfect.
Here is your fresh orange juice. I'll be back with your appetizer shortly.
Thank you so much.
Here is your tomato soup. Please let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
How is everything so far?
The soup is wonderful, thank you.
I'll bring your main course now. Please enjoy your meal.
Thank you. The grilled chicken smells amazing.
Would you like some water or another drink with your main course?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Certainly. Here is your water. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, could I have a napkin, please?
Of course. Here's a napkin for you.
Everything is so tasty. Can I also have some extra olive oil for my salad?
Absolutely. I'll bring it right away. Here's the olive oil. Is there anything else you need?
No, thank you. That's perfect.
Excuse me, may I see the dessert menu now?
Of course. Here is the menu. We have chocolate cake, fruit tart, and ice cream today.
I'll have the chocolate cake, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like any coffee or tea with it?
Yes, a cup of black coffee would be great, thank you.
Very well. I'll bring your dessert and coffee shortly.
Thank you.
Here is your chocolate cake and coffee. Enjoy.
Thank you. Everything looks delicious.
Excuse me, could I also have the bill when you get a chance, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it over in a moment. Here is your bill. Please take your time.
Thank you. Everything was wonderful. I really enjoyed my meal.
I'm glad to hear that. Thank you for dining with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Thank you very much. Have a good evening.